Our top focus this afternoon is on the Bihar police, which is planning to issue a lookout notice against Riya Chakrabarti. The Bihar police has also claimed that Riya is missing and they're unable to contact her. They visited reportedly her residence in Mumbai and she was not there. But replying to their charge, Riya's lawyer has stated otherwise. Her counsel has stated that no one visited her premises and no summons or notice has been issued by the Bihar police to Riya. The Bihar police in fact claims to have strong evidence now against Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend. On Thursday, they also filed a caveat in the Supreme Court to oppose Riya's attempts to transfer the case filed against her in connection with Sushant Singh Rajput's death from Patna to Mumbai. So that's the latest that we're picking up. The Bihar police saying that at this point they're unable to really track down Riya Chakrabarti, which is why we're being told that very soon we could also be seeing a lookout notice being issued against her. Now, in response to this, Riya's lawyer has stated that nobody has tried to reach her. Saurabh Bhaktania is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. Saurabh, is Riya Chakrabarti at her residence? Because from what the Bihar police is saying, at this point she's incommunicado, they're not able to reach her. But Riya's lawyer is contradicting that, saying that there's been no attempt to reach her so far.
Well, absolutely, Akshita. See, in this particular case, the Mumbai police as well as the Riya Chakrabarti side, they are not going to entertain Bihar police so easily because they don't want Bihar police to investigate this whole case, and therefore the matter is right now in Supreme Court of India, where the hearing might take place on Monday. Now, the first thing, the Bihar police sources just few hours back told us that they had actually gone to Riya Chakrabarti's house. They tried to get in touch with her, but no one was present over there. One of the team even visited the place in Santa Cruz where Riya Chakrabarti actually resides, but the doors were locked. Now, this is what are the claims made by the Bihar police. But when we also are trying to reach out to Riya Chakrabarti, her team has clearly told us that she is in no mood of talking right now because the case is sub judice. Whatever they have to talk, the advocates will talk. And therefore, yesterday, Riya Chakrabarti actually came front. A video was released by her, and today, her advocate Satish Mane Shinde clearly told us that the Bihar police has made no attempt to get in touch with them, and if they want to talk to Riya Chakrabarti, it should go through the advocate. So,
okay.
Lot of things are coming up, lot of contradictory statement, lot of division and confusion right now. But the latest what we are getting right now, Akshita, is that the Bihar police once again has approached the Mumbai police to seek help in this particular case, and therefore a team of 2 officials have just reached Banda police station, where the ADR is registered by the Mumbai police, and they are trying to talk with the Mumbai police officials to gather the inquiry which have they done till now, and also to assist them.
All right, let me take this across to Rohit Singh. He's joining us live from Patna. Rohit, what is going to be the Bihar police's strategy here? It's clear at this point that they're not getting any help from the Mumbai police. They're stating that they're trying to reach Riya and they're unable to. In these circumstances, how do they plan on taking the investigation forward?
Well, Bihar government as well as Bihar police, both of them are miffed at the fact that Mumbai police is not cooperating with the Patna police team, which is there in Mumbai investigating the Sushant Singh Rajput case. And now what we are learning from the Bihar police sources is that since Bihar police has approached Riya Chakrabarti several times, they have went to her flat, they have tried to contact her on phone, but she is not available. So now the Bihar police is contemplating issuing a lookout notice against her. And what we learn from sources in the Bihar government is that they also believe that this option was available to them, and the government was seriously mulling this option of issuing a lookout notice against Riya Chakrabarti to help the investigation take forward. But as far as the treatment of meted out to the Patna police is concerned, yesterday night we saw that they were heckled, they were misbehaved, and they were pushed into a prison van. So this has really irked the Bihar police here, and the police is basically saying that there is a threat to life to the Patna police team who is investigating there in Mumbai, and they have sought a protection for them so that they can investigate this manner in a safe, secure manner so that a fair probe can be conducted. Akshata.
Right. Rohit, thank you for joining us with those details. Let me also...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.